Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of 18, 24 and 96. We will be using prime factorization method or the ladder method for finding the LCM of three numbers. So first we will write all the three numbers in the single ladder like so. So that's 18, 24 and 96. As all the three numbers are even, we can use 2 to divide the three numbers. 9 is 18, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16. Again we'll divide by 2, 9 is not fully divisible by 2, so we'll write it as is. 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8. Again we'll use 2 to divide the numbers, 9 will be as is. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Again we'll use 2 to divide 12. 9 and 3 are not divisible by 2, so we'll write it as is. 2 times 6 is 12. Again we'll use 2 to divide 6. 9 and 3 are not divisible by 2, so we'll write it as is. 2 times 3 is 6. Now all the three numbers are divisible by next prime number 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 1 is 3. So all the numbers are fully divided. To find the LCM of the three numbers, we are going to take the product of all the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 is the LCM of the three numbers. So LCM will be 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32. So that's 32 times 3 times 3 is 9. 32 times 9 will be the LCM of the three numbers, which equals 9 times 2 is 18. 1 carried over. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. So 288 will be the LCM of the three numbers. So this is how we find the LCM of three numbers using prime factorization. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.